All right, good evening. So we're going to talk about the pretest for trigonometry. The first problem I have here, and I usually come up with three alternatives to the actual problem. So on your exam, you'll uh, you'll see one of these problems. Okay, so we can go ahead and look at that, double checking something. Yeah, okay, double checked. Okay, share. It's great. Okay, so the we're gonna convert these degrees, minutes, seconds into decimal degrees here. Right. Now, I have a calculator here that's technically more advanced than the one you're allowed to have, but I'm not going to use it for anything other than what you're allowed to do with it. Okay, so we're not going to graph or stick that with it. Okay, so converting our degrees, minutes, seconds, we have 37 degrees, 48 minutes, 36 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 36 seconds and we're going to say that there are 3,600 seconds to 1 degree. Okay, the way we do that is we go ahead and over here, we have 1 degree, and we're going to say that we have 60 minutes to 1 degree. The units cancel. And then we are going to say that we have 60 seconds to 1 minute. Those will cancel. So we end up with 60 times 60 is 3,600. All right. So we have 3,600 seconds to 1 degree. So we have 1 degree here. We have 3,600 seconds to what's going to happen here. All right. And then we're going to add that. We have 46 minutes and we have 46 minutes. We have 60 minutes to 1 degree. And we're going to go ahead and add that to 37 degrees. And that's going to give us our degrees, our decimal degrees for what we're working with here. Okay. So here we go. We have 36 divided by 3,600. Okay. Plus 48 minutes divided by 60. All right. And then we have plus our 37 degrees. And then voila. And it says we have to go to 3 decimal places. Since it's terminated at 2 decimal places, we're going to stop there. So we could say this is 37.81. If you really want to go to 0 degrees, that would be our answer here. All right. We're going to do that for the same other two. So we have, I think 36 12 times. Okay. So here we have 3,600 seconds. Sorry, we have 36 seconds. We have to 3,600 degrees. There's 300, sorry, I said that backwards. There's 3,600 seconds to 1 degree. Okay. Plus, we have our 47 minutes to 60 minutes. And then we have our 263 degrees. And we'll just go ahead and calculate this out. And then say that that's going to be 36 divided by 3,600. Okay. Plus 47 divided by 60. All right. Plus, and then here we have 263. And that should give us everybody that we want to go ahead and deal with. So we end up with 263 point, okay, so we have 263.79. How many decimal places did they want us to go on this case? As soon as I find my little map here, we'll go ahead and do this. Here we go. 0.7933. So 0.793, and it just says round to the third decimal place, round to the thousands, and we'll stop there. Okay, technically we put a little thing over it, but they only wanted to know for the third decimal place. Okay, so that would be degrees, and that would be what we're talking about. Next one, we're going to look at this. We're going to say we have 54 seconds to 3,600 seconds for a degree, plus, what is that? Looks like I have 15. I'm going to double check what else I'm looking at here. Yep, 15. 15 over 60 plus 128, and that's already in degrees, so we're okay with that. So we're just going to wrap this around. So we're going to say 5,400. That's clear. 54 divided by 3,600. Okay, plus 15 divided by 60. Okay, plus 128. All right, and that would be the number of degrees we have. Okay, so we end up with 128.265, and it stops repeating after that. So that would be our answer, and that's how we're going to go with. All right, so we'll set that up as our first problem. I'll say thank you very much for watching the video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Stop share and